Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to do freeze frame, or you may say how to do extended frame using Camtasia Studio. So without any further delay, let's start it. You might want to be doing this because you are doing like a tutorial or you are teaching something and you want to extend it because you need to time to explain it. Or you may be doing like a cool video and there is a crazy scene happening and you are doing like a slow motion or fast motion and you want to freeze it and then fast motion or slow motion it again. Whatever you are using this, I am going to show you how to do it. So for this particular example, I already imported a sample video. This time I just delete this audio track from this video and this is the sample video clip. Alright, now if we want to add freeze frame just in this position, then set this timeline indicator in your preferred position and then right click on it and select extended frame. And here you see by default duration selected is 1 second. Now if you want to set duration in 5 seconds and hit OK, then in timeline here you see there is like some cross stitches happening here, and 5 seconds later there is another cross stitch happening here, and this is the extended frame. Now let's play this clip. It is just freezing this frame for 5 seconds and now it is simply going back to normal. So in this way you can easily do freeze frame, or you may say extended frame, in your video clip. Thank you so much for watching.